Can this item hurt your transaction? This is the Title Beat with Joe Haggerty and Orange Coast Title. Today I'm talking about uninsured deeds. An uninsured deed is any type of conveyance that is recorded to a property without title insurance and the proper review from a title company. Sometimes it's not an issue. For example, a couple could be transferring the property in and out of their family trust. The owners could be changing the way in which title is held, or they could be making a correction of a previous deed. Of course, these are not reasons for an issue in a future transaction. But let's say, for example, you're going to sell your property or refinance it. The title company is now proposing to insure a new party. Let's say it's the lender or a buyer, and now there's these uninsured deeds found on the property. Let's say one of the parties that granted the property to somebody else or removed their name from the property comes forward after the transaction and says, no, I actually never signed that quitclaim deed. I don't know what you're talking about. Or let's say, for example, we had a off-record agreement that I was supposed to get some funds in that transaction if it ever sold, or they were supposed to offer the property to me before selling it. These are all kind of things that can come up, right? So what happens then? There's now a title claim, and there's now some legal action that could weigh heavy onto the property, stop it from being sold again, or stop the party from being refinanced. Either way, the future owner does not want to have this hanging over their property. Right? Another possibility, the deed could have been fraudulent. Imagine if there's a fraudulent deed on record of your property. Okay, that's definitely going to be an issue. So title companies need to verify that the person did in fact transfer the property willingly. So how is this matter resolved? Title companies have a document that they will have the grantor on that conveyance deed sign with a notary. It usually needs to be signed with an approved notary or someone from an escrow company in that transaction. And this document is typically called a confirmation of conveyance or an affidavit of uninsured deed. So what consumers need to know about uninsured deeds, that if you transfer your property to somebody else without title insurance, the name of that person, the grantor or the person who came off the property, is going to follow the property all the way until they get title insurance again for an undetermined period of time. If you have any questions about this topic or any other title topic, feel free to reach out to me in the comments, in direct message, or call me. My phone number is in my profile. Have a great day.